Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from your R6. So first thing you want to do, remove the seat. So next thing you're going to do is unscrew these two bolts right here, starting with the negative one first. Make sure you get all these things out of the way. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these two screws right here and then these two screws right here. So if it doesn't come out like this, like in my case it doesn't come out like this, I have to remove also this screw right here. Now pull this up. It's a little hard. There we go. Now push everything down. Put this back, just like that. Now the last thing we're gonna do is put back the screws on, put the seat back on, and we're done. So we put all the screws back together, except this long one. We can just leave it right here. Now we're gonna put back the seat on. We put back everything together. The seat is back. And now we're gonna store the battery for the winter time. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace.